Join us for a girls' night out dito sa Pinya Kitchen and Coffee. We reserved the place for a private event at tignan nyo naman to nagsasarapang dishes na to. Ito yung iilan sa specialties nila pero syempre kayo rin naman ang masusunod sa menu pag nagpa-private event kayo dito. And to complete the vibe, meron tayong mobile bar where we have our own bartender who will serve us mocktails and cocktails according to our preferences. This is Pinya Kitchen and Coffee located sa May Sapang Bato, Angeles City. Open daily from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. at meron silang sariling parking area. The vibe is very romantic and classy, kaya perfect option to para sa mga intimate weddings, birthdays, and family gatherings. We chose a good assortment of salads, pizza and pasta, side dishes, tapos syempre meron ding ulam and rice. We had a buffet setup pero syempre kung mas gusto nyong nakaserve agad sa table, kayo pa rin na masusunod. At kahit naman wala kang private event, pwede ka pa rin mag-walk-in sa restaurant nila para lang kumain. And kung hindi nyo pa alam kung anong o-orderin, ilan pa sa mga favorites ko dito ay yung bulalo, crispy pata sisig, pati yung Korean chicken. So sa lahat na naghahanap ng date night ideas, yung picture perfect yung place tapos masarap yung food, itry nyo na rin dito sa Pinya Kitchen and Coffee.